Hey Okta community! Today we will show you how to include the Forgot Password link on the first sign-in screen where the user is prompted for the username. This feature is useful as it allows end users to reset their password without selecting the password factor from the authenticator list first. After selecting the password to log in, the user is prompted to use the Forgot Password link available. To enable this feature, log in as an administrator to the Okta admin dashboard, go to Customizations and select Brands from the drop-down menu. Once on the Brands page, select the brand to which the change should be applied. Keep in mind that when modifying the setting for one brand, it will not apply to all brands but only to the selected one. Once selected, you will be redirected to the setting page of the brand. Click on Pages, then click on the Configure button next to Sign In page. Once on the Sign In page settings, select the Labels tab, scroll down to the Customized Help Links section. Click on the Edit button. In the field Custom Link 1 Text, enter the text that will show on the custom link. In the field Custom Link 1 URL, enter the URL the link will lead to. In this case, the default reset password link. Then, click on Save to Draft, scroll up and click on Publish. After publishing, the custom URL and text will show up on the Sign In page. For more Okta support videos, check out the Okta support playlist. We encourage you to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest help resources. See you soon for another video.